Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into the nuts and bolts of starting your own LLC, a crucial step on your journey to business success. If you're ready to make it official, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a business name. The first step in forming your LLC is choosing a name that not only represents your business, but is also unique and available in your state. Check with your state's business registry to ensure your chosen name is up for grabs. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent, a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents. Make sure your registered agent has a physical address in the state where you're forming your LLC. Step 3. File articles of organization. Time to make it official. File the articles of organization with your state's business filing office. This document includes essential details like your business name, address, and the purpose of your LLC. Create an operating agreement. While not required in every state, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and procedures of your LLC. It's like the rule book for your business. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Now let's talk taxes. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique number is essential for tax purposes and can be easily obtained for free on the IRS website. Step 6. Comply with state requirements. Different states may have additional requirements, so be sure to check for any extra forms or fees. Staying on top of these state-specific requirements will keep your LLC on the right track. Step 7. Pay filing fees. Every official document comes with a cost. Pay the required filing fees associated with forming your LLC. The amount can vary, so check with your state's business filing office for the exact figures. Step 8. Publish a notice if required. In some states, you might be required to publish a notice of your LLC formation in a local newspaper. Make sure to follow your state's guidelines for this step. Step 9. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need specific licenses or permits. Check with your local and state authorities to ensure you're compliant with all necessary regulations. Step 10. Maintain compliance. Lastly, stay in the loop. Keep an eye on ongoing compliance requirements, including annual reports and taxes. Staying compliant ensures your LLC remains in good standing. Congratulations! You've just navigated the essential steps to form your LLC. Remember, each state has its own rules, so be sure to check your state's specific requirements. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more business-savvy content. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring!